Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We now take problem on elastic constants. Our problem statement is, if a round bar of 37.5 mm diameter and 2.4 meter length is stretched by 2.5 mm, find its bulk modulus and lateral contraction. Take Young's modulus equal to 110 giganewton per meter square, shear modulus equal to 42 giganewton per meter square for the material of a bar. So we now draw the figure for the problem. You can see a simple circular diameter rod of diameter 37.5 mm and length 2.4 meter or 2400 mm. Now since it has been mentioned that the bar is stretched by amount of 2.5 mm, it implies that there will be a load which will be a tensile load acting across the longitudinal direction. So in the problem we have to find out first the bulk modulus K and second the lateral contraction. Now since it is a uniform diameter rod, the lateral contraction will be the change in diameter. We now start with the solution. Now first part, that is to find out K. Now we can find out the value of K from the simple relation of K is equal to minus P upon EV. But you will find out that since the load is not given, we'll have to first find out the value of P or the stress in the x direction by using the delta L equation. Then again we'll have to find out the volumetric strain, which is nothing but the longitudinal strain and lateral strain. But since we do not know the lateral contraction, we won't be able to find out the lateral strain, hence the volumetric strain. So we cannot find out the value of K from this formula. But now in this problem, we have been given the two elastic constants with the elastic modulus E and the shear modulus G. So we can use the elastic constant relations to determine the third elastic constant K. So first we use this equation, E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. Now mu, the Poisson's ratio is not given. So upon substituting the value, we get E is 110 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm square is equal to 2 into 42 giganewton per meter square, meaning that 42 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm square into 1 plus mu. So upon solving this, we get the value of mu as 0.309. Now upon using another relation of E, which is E is equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu. Now in this relation, we have E as well as mu, which has been found out from the previous relation, so we can calculate the K. So upon substituting the value, we get 110 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. Value of mu is 0.309. So from this we get the value of K as 95.98 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm square, meaning that 95.98 gigapascal. So this is our first answer. Now let's find out the lateral contraction. We know for a circular bar, the Poisson's ratio mu is given as minus of delta D by D upon delta L by L. So upon substituting the values, we get 0.309 is equal to minus of delta D, which is a lateral contraction which you have to find out, upon diameter D is 37.5 mm upon delta L is 2.5 upon the original length is 2400. So from this we get the value of delta D as minus 0.0117 mm. Negative sign indicates that the diameter has reduced or contracted. So with this, our problem is solved. Thanks for watching in 5 minutes.